Hey guys, nowadays we use Scan Pay in order to pay our bills, say electricity, rent, grocery, food, shopping, travel bookings, etc. etc. via platforms such as Paytm, PhonePay, BHIM. Okay, you all know this is very obvious, but making payment via BHIM will give you cashback because there's a cashback offer on BHIM app. Let's check out. As you see in the picture, go to BHIM app. As you see in the picture, you have UPI payment. And besides that, this app is compatible with international payments. And you see here 150 cashback is given on making payment of any kind of your bills. As I said earlier, using this platform. Okay, mostly we have the grocery essentials, right? Day to day. You can go to nearest grocery shop and check out. Now check out via BHIM to get cashback on making payment for your grocery, as you see in the picture. Go to BHIM app, you will see here scan option. Click on scan right on the home screen. You can see here the merchant or the seller QR code is getting scanned in order to make payment. So this screen appears in this way. You enter the amount. Minimum transaction should be 200 rupees and above to get cashback. You enter the amount to be paid and you come down and select the mode of payment. It can be card or wallet, whatever it is. Here I have selected a credit card because you can get 100 cashback after selecting. Then click on send. That's it, done. You can see here you'll receive a cashback of 30 rupees or 100 rupees. Here I have got 30 rupees. This will be continued for your first 3 transactions for making payment via BHIM. Now your payment is done, your cashback is credited. Now we'll check out. Go to home. Right on the home screen you see transaction history. Click on that. You will find here the cashback you received along with the payment you have made via BHIM for 200 rupees. Here have got 100 cashback as well. So how good it is to have this digital payments and have cashback on your spends, right? Okay, use this cashback to make some other payments, right? If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Have a good day.